I finally got this side kind of finished. Now I'm going to do basically the same thing to the other side. The front's going to have screen halfway up, or hardware cloth, and then boards the rest of the way. And then there's going to be a place where they can roost outside right here. And then over here on this side, I'm working on a door, and I'm going to put it right here, kind of opposite of that one over there. That way, if I want to put food and water in here, I'll have a couple places to gain access. You want to be able to kind of reach in the pen, get to stuff. You know, tell them what you might need to do. Alright. That's my little update. So, I'm working on it. I hate to make the videos too long, but I thought I might show you my little chicks in a couple of, well, 3 more days. As to my knowledge, they will be. They'll be 6 weeks on Wednesday. 3 more days, including what's left of today. 3.5 days, maybe. Had to make the hole bigger in their little deal because they couldn't hardly get their head in it. Especially there's 2 bigger ones that are lighter colored. Those 2 right there. Alright, well, this video is getting really long, and I'm gonna sign off. Over and out. Thanks for watching. Later on.